Golf Cart Garage gets a ton of calls and emails just like this one.
Gary writes in, I would like to make my club car street legal so that I can drive it to the beach. What do I need to make this happen?
So it's time to Ask Dave right now on GCGTV.
Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today as we cover the basics of making your golf cart street legal. Easily one of the most frequently asked questions we get here at Golf Cart Garage. Honestly, street legalization is a complicated subject. Different rules can apply depending on whether you intend to drive at a campground, near a golf course, in a retirement community, or around your neighborhood or subdivision. And even then, different rules can apply from one town to another. But all hope is not lost. We're here to help. Check out the link in the video description below, and you'll find some great information about what may be required in your area, like lights, blinkers, mirrors, and horns. Once you get the lay of the land, we recommend consulting with your state motor vehicles department to get informed about the requirements in your area. After that, it's a great idea to contact your insurance agent to discuss coverage. Once you've got everything squared away with Jake from that farm upstate, or that really cute British lizard, it's time to upgrade the golf cart. Give us a call Monday through Friday at 1-800-401-2934 or visit golfcartgarage.com anytime to place your order. And remember to subscribe to keep watching as we answer more burning questions right here on GCGTV. Got one of your own? Send me an email at askdave@golfcartgarage.com.